Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa is going to make a Japanese tofu stew with Chinese cabbage or nappa cabbage. Okay, so I have some Japanese tofu here. I actually sprinkle it with a little bit of cornstarch. I think it's optional, no need also can. Later, we are going to pan fry the egg tofu first. Then I have some nappa cabbage cut into big chunks, some shallot and ginger, and these are the seasoning I'm going to use: salt, a bit of sugar, Shaoxing wine, light soy sauce, my cooking apple chicken stock powder, and some oyster sauce. First of all, let's give it a little bit of oil and heat it up. Once it is heated up, we can slowly put in the Japanese tofu one by one. Use a non-stick wok, it's easier for this. So you want to brown the Japanese tofu both sides, yeah? This will bring out the eggy aroma even better. The cornstarch I put is optional. Actually, I think no need also. Appa kepo go and put. Slowly pan fry this for a couple of minutes. This is less than 1 minute. I already started to smell the eggy aroma. Okay, it started to brown. Very good. You need to be a bit more gentle on this, okay? You want to flip it over. So we give each side about 1.5 minutes, then it is good enough. You just want to char the surface. So this is coming to close to 3 minutes. I think good enough lah. I'm going to set this aside. I wish you all can smell this right now. It's super eggy. Ooh. Let's give it a little bit of oil. You want to saute the shallot and also ginger. We saute this to get some shallot oil. We come back in a minute or two. I don't know about you, but every time Appa smell the fried shallot, I actually think of home cooking. Put in the veggie. So let's try to, let me give it a bit of water here. Let's try to soften the veggie a bit before I put in the tofu. Oh, the shallot oil smells really good. Now that the veggie have softened, I'm going to put in the eggy tofu on top. So this will give the dish an eggy flavor also. It's going to be very, very nice. A bit more water here. Let's give it some seasoning. A bit of oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Two rounds of light soy sauce. A bit of Shaoxing wine, optional. Because I use water, so I'm adding the chicken powder. Yeah, my cooking apple chicken stock powder. If you are using stock, yeah, or broth, then you don't have to add my chicken powder actually. I'm going to give it some fine salt. A little bit of sugar, optional. I know some of you doesn't like it, then you don't have to add. So this is more like a stew dish, yeah? Men. So now that it is boiling, I'm going to tune down. So let me find a lid first. So I found a lid. Tune down to medium low and let it cook for approximately 10 minutes. So this is coming to about 10 minutes. Wow, very nice. Now the tofu will have the sweetness coming from the nappa cabbage, and the nappa cabbage is going to absorb and infuse with the eggy flavor from the egg tofu. This dish is almost done. Just let me give it some final tinge of some fried garlic. This is optional, good to have. And few dashes of white pepper. Done. That's how simple it is. Now, if you want to thicken up the sauce using some cornstarch solution, can, no problem. Right? You decide. Am I going to do it? Probably not. So here's my serving plate. Right, so here's appa, very simple, but trust me, it's very, very flavorful Japanese tofu and nappa cabbage stew. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, you click like and follow button, follow Appa on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye-bye.